take your register and copy. Okay. So today we start the parametric form. The parametric form, the size is 5.6 in your book. Okay. What is the parameter? What is the parameter? First we study what is the parameter. Why we say it is a parametric form. Okay. In the first exercise, if you remember, the y equal to something is given. Okay, that is called function. In the second exercise, when we start implicit function, then they given two variable, that is x and y. So that is called implicit function. Now x equals to, here they given x equal to 280 square, y equal to 284. According to us, t is a constant because we consider variable those number which having y or x. But if you notice here, x equal to 280 squared, t related to x and also t related to y. That means indirectly x and y are the related and t is the parameter. T is the variable which relate x and y both. So we say it is a parametric form and here the parameter is t. Okay, but never हर time ये t नहीं होगा. Then second question you have, it is theta. So either it is t or theta, another number. So this is the 5.6 exercise. They given x and they given y, and he says find dy by dx. Okay. Then he says find dy by dx, but they are not given y. They are not given equation. They given two equation. One is x and second is y. Then he say find the dy by dx. So today we start the exercise is parameter 5.6 exercise. Okay. So come on now screen. This is the 5.6 exercise. हमने किया अब तक. This is we complete implicit form, use of log, parametric form, inverse differentiation, then double derivative, and the exercise of first exercise is continuity. That is 5.1. अभी तक हमने नहीं किया. We completed 5.3 till 9 question. We complete exercise 5.2. हमने 5.2 completed, 5.3 completed, 5.5 completed. Okay, three exercises are completed. If you have any doubt in 5.5, then you can mail me. ठीक है, और WhatsApp me. This is the exercise 5.5 is use of law. 5.3 exercise is implicit form. Okay, so 5.3 exercise is implicit form. The third exercise is we start now 5.6. Today we finish 5.4 and 5.6. 5.4 is from chain rule and 5.6 exercise is parametric form. So start with the parametric form. ठीक है, they given now they given x equal to 80 square. Then y is equals to 280. They are not given one equation y equal to something. ठीक है, please जिनकी बहुत join regularly. ठीक है, do not miss the classes because it is a complex. It is a the calculus. ठीक है, and calculus is very important. We had two type of books. One is calculus, second is non-calculus. So calculus is very important because it plays important role to get 95 plus. So this is the main book. ठीक है, the 12th class. The main book is calculus, and this is a first new topic of calculus. ठीक है, so please carefully listen. X equal to 80 square, y equal to 280, and then he says find dy by dx. But the problem is that if you differentiate this, so it is not having y, and this having y, but you cannot differentiate with respect to x because x is not there. Okay, this is y equal to 280, and you can say t is not a constant because t is related with y and t is also related with x. ठीक है, indirectly x and y are related. But the problem is that if you find the value of t and put in second equation, so every time it is not possible. Okay, so what we do here, we consider t as a x. We consider t as a x. So if you have y equal to 2ax, and he says find dy by dx, so that is very simple. 2 into a x ka 1 because the derivative of x is 1. Now here you have t is x. You consider t as a x. So if you find dy by dt, अगर आप dy by dt निकालोगे, if you are finding dy by dt, then that is very simple. 2a into 1. 2a into 1. देखो, this the chapter differentiation comes in 4 plus 4. One question 4 marks and the second question also 4 marks. And these are the 6 topics. Any two topics are come. ठीक है? This year log and double derivative यानी 5.5 and 5.7. Log is very important. Log every time आता है. ठीक है? The one of the rest, one of जो भी rest है उनमें से कोई एक आता है. ठीक है? So we start now parametric form. That is very very easy. 5.6 exercise. Today we complete only 5.6 exercise. अगर time रहेगा then we start 5.4. So this is dy by dt. This is 2a into 1. The derivative of t is 1. Similarly, we find dx by dt. We differentiate x with respect to t. We have differentiation. With us start the differentiation of x with respect to t. Now what is we have? At square, that is 2at. That's t x square. The derivative of x square is 2x. Similarly, the derivative of t square is 2t. But the question is find dy by dx. वो तो हमने निकाला नहीं है. Now if you divide both the numbers, ठीक है? If you divide dy by dt by dx by dt, if you divide by this, ठीक है? If you divide by this and dt is cancel or dt and you get dy by dx. But हमने cancel नहीं करने हैं. This is a simple thing. First you find dy by dt, then you find dx by dt. For dy by dx, you divide both the equation. Okay. For dy by dx, you dividing both the numbers. 2a upon 2at. Now 2a cancel with 2a and you get 1 by t. So that means dy by dx is 1 by t. So how you find dy by dx? They given x, they given y. You open the book 4.6 exercise. In every question they are given x and y. You open the book 5.6 exercise. They given one is x, second is y. First you find dx by dt, then you find dy by dt. For dy by dx, you divide both the equation and you get the answer. Take another example. Take another example. Suppose you have x equals to a sine theta and y is equal to b cos theta, and then again he says find dy by dx. Here theta is the perimeter. They never say which is the perimeter. You all अपने आप आपको देखना होगा ये theta is the perimeter because theta number theta is related to both x and y. So theta is the perimeter here. Okay, first you find dx by dt. यानी कि dx by d theta because theta is here. So that is a sin theta का derivative is cos theta. Then you find dy by d theta, that is minus b sin theta. Then the dy by dx is very simple. You divide both the number, that is dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Then you have this is minus b sin theta divided by a cos theta. The answer is minus b by a tan theta. That's the simple number. So that means you first find dx by dt, then dy by dt, and then divide, then you get the answer of dy by dx. Okay. Then now we are writing 5.6 exercise on the board, and you start. You take your copy, please. Take your copy. Okay. Copies निकालिए. Then we start the question. Okay. This is 5.6 exercise. We start today 5.6 exercise. The 5.6 exercise number 5.6. The first question is x equals to 2at square, y is equals to 84. Okay, this is a question for 12th A class. Start 12th A class. 12th A class, please. आज मैं आपको कुछ take some student name of the sub student और जिस बच्चे का नेम लूंगा that only reply me. Okay. x equal to 280 square इस बच्चे का नाम लूंगा वही सिर्फ रिप्लाई करेगा x equal to 280 square y equal to 284 but this is a question for 12th A. So 12th A reply please. This x equal to 280 square y equal to 284. Then question is find dy by dx. The question is find the values of dy by dx. You find first dx by dt, then dy by dt, and then divide it. Okay, Siddhant. ने आंसर दे दिया है. देखो नाउ आई स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. प्लीज कार्तिक देखो दिस इज dx by dt. वी फाइंड dx by dt. ठीक है, दैट इज 2at स्क्वायर. देखो डेरिवेटिव ऑफ t स्क्वायर. द डेरिवेटिव ऑफ t स्क्वायर इज 2t. देन वी फाइंड dy by dt. ओके, dy by dt is 4at cube. Then we divide it. For dy by dx, we are dividing both the equations. If you have any doubt, then WhatsApp to me. मैं हाथों हाथ क्लियर कर दूंगा आपका डाउट. ठीक है, 4at. Now the 4a is cancel with 4a and t this cancel. Then answer is t square. देखो again you see we find dx by dt, that is t square is considered as x square. So t square का derivative is 2x. Now the same thing is with t4 4at cube. Then we divide both the number. Okay. Now you take another question. This is the second question for your exercise. आज हम सिर्फ एनसीईआरटी करेंगे. द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज x इक्वल्स टू a cos theta, y is equals to b cos theta. Both are the cos theta. Then he says find dy by dx. Here theta is the perimeter. Okay, अब मैं जिससे बोलूंगा सिर्फ वही रिप्लाई करेगा. Okay, you start your question. The one student asking if how we find the derivative of dx by dt. How we find dx by dt? देखो dx by dt is very easy. dx by dt is we consider t square as x square. If you differentiate x square, so that is 2x. Similarly, t square having derivative is 2t. Because we are differentiate with respect to t, we are differentiation with respect of t. If you differentiate with respect to t, though that means x is considered as t. Okay, you find out dy by dx. This is x is given, y is given. You first find dx by deta, then dy by deta, then you find the answer. Okay, only one student is replied. जिसका मैं नाम लूंगा सिर्फ only that student is replied. Okay, only one student replied to me. That is Lakshit Malik, 12C. Lakshit Malik, please reply. What is the answer of this? Yes, Lakshit Malik of 12C, please reply. You find dx by d theta, then dy by theta, and get the answer. Yes, Sanya, 12B. Sanya of 12B. Yes, Lakshit ने reply कर दिया है. Good बेटा. Yes, yes. dx by theta, dy by theta. Good, good, good. Yes, Lakshit ने reply कर दिया है. Sanya, आपने reply नहीं किया अब तक. देखो, this is second question. Second question is x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b cos theta. ठीक है, what we do was very simple. That is dx by d theta. That means you are differentiate with x to with respect theta. dx by theta means we are differentiate x with respect to theta. The meaning of dy by dx, we start the differentiation of y with respect to x. We are differentiate with respect to y, differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay, please stop. मैंने भी आंसर देने के लिए नहीं कहा, please stop. So this the meaning of same is that dx by theta, the differentiation of x with respect to theta. यानी कि x is a variable and we are different theta is also variable. We start the derivative of x with respect to theta. So first we differentiate dx by theta, that is a cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. Similarly y, that is dy by d theta, that is minus b sin theta. But the question is find dy by dx. So that means you divide both the number. You divide both the number. So we have minus b sin theta upon minus a cos theta. Sorry, a sin theta. Yes, yes, yes. Please stop. So b by a. Answer is b by a. Okay. अब मैं आपको exercise के I have written 5 questions. Okay. We are given writing all the question of this exercise. Please, please, please. Okay, we start the answer of this question number second. देखो third is x equal to sin t, y is equal to cos 2t, find dy by dx. Fourth question, x equal to 4t, y is equal to 4 by t, find dy by dx. The fifth question is x equal to cos theta minus cos 2 theta, and y is equals to sin theta minus sin 2 theta. In every question you find the dy by dx. Okay, that's sixth and the sixth question, x equal to a theta minus sin theta, y is equals to a 1 plus cos theta. The question is same. Okay, the first, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Do all the 4 question. All the 4 question, please. Okay, one student saying ki please sir repeat it. Because this is the simple thing. We find dx by dt, then dy by dt. We differentiate x with respect to t. First we differentiate x with respect to t. Then similarly y we differentiate with respect to t. Chain rule, product rule are the same. Okay, here the variable which we differentiate, that is t. Okay, we are differentiate t with respect to x. So therefore t is considered as x. All the 4 question मैं भी करूंगा. Okay, you start the continue. Yes, Nitish saying something. Yes, Hardik Jain reply the first question. Yes, good beta. Nitish of 12th key. You continue. I given 5 minutes to you. Third question, fourth. यस विशेष ऑफ 12 बी क्लास, मेरी क्लास भी पार्टिसिपेट करती है. ओके गुड 12 विशेष, गुड बेटा. विशेष has given the answer of third question. देखो 1 मिनट लेफ्ट. मैं आपको बताता हूँ हाउ वी डू अगेन. देखो सभी स्टूडेंट आर सेइंग कि सर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. ओके देखो 1 मिनट. देखो प्लीज 1x equal to sin t. देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी स्टार्ट थर्ड नंबर सम. The x is sin t and y is cos 2t. One is saying कि राइटिंग सर समझ में नहीं आ रही है. देखो राइटिंग मेरी बचपन से बहुत अच्छी है. Okay, x equal to sin t, y equal to cos 2t. Okay, then we start the first question. Please stop. देखो this is dx by dt. This is dx by dt. ठीक है, dx by dt we differentiate sin t with respect to t, so that means cos t. देखो here we consider sin t जैसे y equal to sin x होता, then how we differentiate, that is dy by dx equal to sin x का derivative cos x. Similarly the derivative of sin t is cos t. Then we find dy by dt. We again same way finding dy by dt, but here we use chain rule. The term is cos and their angle is 2t. Then the derivative of cos is minus sin 2t into the derivative of their angle, that is 2. देखो that is very simple. You find dx by dt, dy by dt, and then divide. Okay, it's a simple concept of parametric form. First you find dx by dt, then you find dy by dt, and depend upon the question. If it is c, then you find dx by dt. If it is theta, then you find dx by theta. Okay, the one parameter is common, x and y, both they having same parameter. One parameter is common. Now he says find dy by dx. So the meaning of dy by dx, both the numbers, that is dy by dt dividing by dx by dt. Now what is dy by dt? Minus 2 sin 2t divided by cos t. Okay, that but in book the answer is not given this. ठीक है, ये answer match नहीं कर रहा है. Then what we do here? We use some trigo. That is sin 2t is 2 sin t cos t. Thus upon is cos t. Cos t is cancelled with cos t. Then answer is minus 4 sin t. The answer is minus 4 sin t. This is the answer. Okay. Then we start fourth question. देखो this is very simple. That is x is sin t. Please stop. Answer भी मुझे मत दो. ठीक है. This is the fourth question. Now we start fourth question. Okay. This is the third question. Solution of third question. Then we start fourth question. NCERT is very important. ठीक है. तो आपके in lockdown period we complete NCERT. अगर हम exemplar भी कर लेते हैं, then that is very good. But the NCERT is the must. Okay. Now this is x equal to 4t. This x is equal to 4t. So first we find dx by dt. That is 4t, 4 into t का derivative 1. Here y equal to 4 by t. So you consider it is 4 into t to the power minus 1. Now when you find dy by dt of this, so we are using the formula n minus 1. So that is minus 1 minus 4 t to the power minus 2. Then the question is find dy by dx. Okay, we are finding dy by dx. The question is find dy by dx. He says find dy by dx. Then first with dy by dx, please Karthik Agarwal, do not open your video. Okay, this is dy by dx means divide both the numbers. Minus 4t minus 2 upon 4. So this 4 is cancelled with this 4 minus 1 by t square. This is the answer of fourth question. Okay, this is the answer of fourth question. Now we start fifth sum. Okay, we start fifth question, but again see fourth question. The 4t, that is very easy. 4t में कोई problem नहीं है. 4t is very easy. You differentiate 4t very easy. That is t is 1. You differentiate t derivative is 1. That is very easy. Okay. Then the minus 4 by t square. 1 by t is minus 1 by 4t square. जैसे आपका 1 by x का derivative होता था. Similarly, here we have derivative of 1 by t, that is minus 1 by x square. Okay. Then we start fifth sum. Fifth question. ठीक है. Yesterday you receive a circular कि we having test. ठीक है, आपके टेस्ट होने हैं and that test is very important. ठीक है, that is the topic of the test is matrix and determinant. That is MCQ based question. सारी डिटेल्स आपके पास आ जाएंगी, but the topic is matrix and determinant. Now we start fifth question. देखो this is dx by d theta. Here theta is the perimeter, so derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, and cos 2 theta is minus minus plus sin 2 theta into 2. देखो how we differentiate this? This is cos is a term and 2 theta is the angle. ठीक है, cos is a term and 2 theta is angle. So first we differentiate cos. The derivative of cos is minus sin 2 theta into 2 theta is 2. Then similarly we find dy by d theta. So dy by d theta is sin theta derivative is cos theta and the sin 2 theta is cos 2 theta into 2. Okay, the question is find dy by dx. So we divide both the number. देखो again we divide both the number. That is dy by dx. So dy by dx is dy by d theta divided by dx by theta. देखो this is very simple parametric form. In parametric form they are given one x and then second one is y. We simply find dx by dt or dy by dt or dx by theta or dy by theta. Then after that we divide both the number. ठीक है, after that we divide both the number. So this is dy by theta, that is 2 cos theta minus 2 cos 2 theta upon 2 sin 2 theta minus sin theta. So this is the final answer. Okay. Then we start question number 6. But when the question जब board में आएंगे, then given something to prove. ठीक है, they always given something to prove. अभी आपको proof नहीं मिल रहा है. ठीक है, this is a simple question of NCERT. They are saying find dy by dx. Simply this says find dy by dx. हम simple dy by dx निकाल रहे हैं. Then we start question number 6 now. ठीक है, that is x equals to with a 4 question. ठीक है, this 4 question मैंने रब कर दिया. Then we start 6 sum. In 6 question we are finding first dx by d theta. That is a theta derivative 1 minus sin theta is cos theta. Okay, similarly for y, dy by d theta, that is a 1 is 0, cos theta is minus sin theta. Then we find dy by dx, that is very simple. Dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Because for dy by dx, we divide both the number. Okay, we divide both the number. So that is dy by d theta. Dy by d theta means, देखो this is minus a sin theta dividing by dx by theta a into 1 minus cos theta. ठीक है, now a is cancelled with a is cancelled with a, but the answer is not given in NCERT. ये answer NCERT में given नहीं है. Okay, this answer is not in NCERT. Then what we do, that is a sin theta. Sin theta का formula देखो, sin 2 theta का formula होता है 2 sin a cos a. Similarly, the formula of sin theta, that is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. The similarly form 1 minus cos theta. देखो cos 2 theta they have 3 formulae. 11th क्लास का यूज सिर्फ इतना ही होता है कि 11th क्लास के कुछ फॉर्मूले ट्रिकों के हम यूज कर लेते हैं. अदरवाइज नो यूज ऑफ 11th क्लास इन 12. ठीक है, अगर आपके 11th क्लास में मार्क्स नहीं आई है, स्टिल यू कैन स्कोर इन 12th क्लास बिकॉज इन 11th क्लास द बुक आर डिफरेंट, 12th क्लास बुक्स आर डिफरेंट. ठीक है, तो ओनली द use of 11 कि we are using some formula of 11th class. So 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. This is 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 is cancelled with 2, sin is cancelled with sin, and the final answer is cot theta by 2. Okay, again see, this is dx by d theta, that is a 1 minus cos theta. Okay, we're using 1 minus cos theta, then simple answer. Okay, this is 1 minus cos theta is sin theta, that is again sin theta. Okay, dy by d theta is simply 1 plus cos theta. That is 1 plus cos theta. The derivative of cos is minus sin theta. Okay, simple. Then we divide both the number, but answer is not this. Answer in NCERT, answer is given something different. So we are applying the values of sin theta. That again we apply the values of cos theta, and we get 1 minus cos theta. That is 2 sin square theta by 2, and you get the answer. Okay. Then we start question number 8. Because the important question of this exercise is 8, 11 are the important question of this exercise. ठीक है, तो we start question number 8. अब इसको बहुत ध्यान से देखना. This is question number 8. 7 हम लास्ट में करेंगे. 7th question we did last. 8th question. देखो, this is a question number 8. Very carefully to see this. This 8th question board में बहुत बार आया हुआ है. This is y equals to a sin t. Y is equals to a sin t, and x is equals to a cos t plus log 10 t by 2. This is very important question. Okay, this is y equal to a sin t. and y equal to a cos t plus log t and t by 2. बहुत carefully अब इसको देखो. देखो this the question is same. Find dy by dx. Okay, the question is same. Find dy by dx. First we find dy by dt, then we find dx by dt, and then both the numbers we divide. Okay, this is a simple concept. So first we find dy by dt. So dy by dt is a sin t का derivative is cos t. The derivative of sin t is cos t. But when we find dx by dt, when we find d by dt, so this is a, the derivative of cos t is minus sin t. Okay. Now log 10t by 2, log 10t by 2, log 10t by 2 means log is a term, and 10t by 2 is their angle. So when we differentiate log x, so the derivative of log x is 1 by x. The derivative of log x is 1 by x when the angle is x, but the angle is 10t by 2. So similarly, when we differentiate log x, it is 1 by x. Similarly here, log 10t by 2 is 1 upon 10t by 2, then differentiation of its angle. What is the angle? 10t by 2. The differentiation of its angle is sec square t by 2, then their angle. Because here you use again TA rule. Term is 10 and angle is t by 2. Therefore, here you again you have TA rule because in term you have also some angle. So 10t by 2. The first is log, then is 10, then is t by 2. So first we differentiate log, that is 1 by 10 t by 2. Then we differentiate 10, that is sec square t by 2. Now we differentiate t by 2. T by 2 is half. Therefore again see log 10 t by 2. We are using here term angle rule, but the chain rule means chain rule. Okay, the term is log. The initial term is log. Then after that we have 10. Then after that we have t by 2. So first we differentiate log, that is 1 by 10 t by 2. Then we differentiate 10, that is sec square t by 2. Then we differentiate angle, that is half. Okay, but अब the problem is that कि dx by dt बहुत बड़ा है ना? When we divide, so it is a big term. So we simplify first. We simplify it. That is minus sin t. Tan t by 2 is sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Then sec square t by 2 is 1 upon cos square t by 2. Then it is half. Okay. Because this is 2 is cancelled with, sorry, cos is cancelled with cos. So here you have a formula that is 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. Therefore again you see it is 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. It is a formula of sin 2 theta. 2 sin a cos a, the formula of sin 2 theta. 2 sin a cos a, it is a formula of sin 2 theta. So देखो dx by dt is a minus sin t plus 1 by sin t. Now we take common LCM. So LCM आ गया 1 minus sin square t by sin t. Now this is 1 minus sin square t is cos square t divided by sin t. So this is dx by dt. बोर्ड में बहुत बार आया हुआ क्वेश्चन है. देखो again you see first we find dy by dt, then we find dx by dt. But when we find dx by dt, so this is simple. Cos t, the derivative of cos t is minus sin t plus log 10t by 2. We are taking chain rule. We are applying chain rule here. Log is a term. 10 is the angle and t by 2 is the angle of 10. So first we differentiate that. First we differentiate one number. So first we differentiate, that is cos t, that is minus sin t. But when we differentiate log 10t by 2, it is 1 by 10 by t by 2. 1 by 10t by 2. Then the derivative of 10 is sec square t by 2. Then the angle t by 2 is half. But the problem is that this expression is very big. So when we divide to create a column, we simplify this number. Minus sin t is as it is plus 1 upon 10t by 2. We change 10 in sin and cos. Then sec square is 1 upon cos square t by 2. Cos is cancelled with cos. In denominator now you have 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2. It is a formula of sin t.